Hello everybody, welcome back to Mammoth Interactive. Today we are going to present you this month's free Unreal Engine assets. Now I'm gonna go this completely blind, so all I got to go by with these is the thumbnail and the title. So we're gonna start from the left top here, the instant deform components. Okay, that already looks very interesting just looking at the picture. All right, let's see. Instantly add visual deformation capabilities to your vehicle and more. All right. Ultra fast setup, cost efficient. Allows you to instantly add visual deformation capabilities to your vehicle and more. Let's see. So you got the first one here. The part at the front, you can see that it's all meshed up a little bit. Oh wow, that car's just, it looks like something stepped on it. And oh, interesting. So like this is probably a vehicle after getting hit by the blocks here. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah, you can like really. Oh, interesting. And I wonder, like, maybe you can choose what part of a vehicle you want deformed here. Like, as you can see here, the cab part is getting squished, but the trailer is completely fine. Oh, that seems to be all there is to it. Okay, that is pretty straightforward. And even interesting visual deformations, fast setup. Okay, cost efficient, a skeletal mesh support. Oh. You can use instant deform components for any skeletal meshes in your game. Vehicle, character, prop, or anything. Oh, okay, so it's not just vehicles. You can do for literally anything. All right, cool. Okay, let's go back. The next is Wild West City, Wild West Town. Well, okay. Oh, this is like after that movie. Oh, and it literally just got an update right now. Airship update, rotating propeller, BFX sounds, and spline mesh, and the effects collection. Oh wow, that is a lot to add to the update. You got your moving airships and your chimney smoke. Your realistic smoke make me. Ooh, I like the aesthetic, like building a village but on top of a mountain. And you have the floating vehicles here, the blimps, the Wild West looking blimps. This is actually pretty cool. Reminds me of that one Fallout 3 place at the beginning, Wild West Traders. Yep. Oh, it's like in a what you call this, a valley, a canyon. I think that's what you call a canyon. Oh, and you can even grab the different pieces and everything. Oh, and this is all the details of the blimp here. You can see the maps, the texture maps, and also shows you all the skeletal stuff here. That's pretty cool. And some more stuff that I'm guessing this means you can like grab things independently from each other and just like arrange things how you want it for like a modular stuff. And that seems to be all the images there is. Yep. There is a trailer that you can see, but we're not gonna watch it here. You can watch it on your own. This environment came to be thanks to the countless requests we received from our Discord community. Technical details, features, props, materials, optimized to ensure it runs smoothly on most hardware. All right, that's pretty cool. Okay, so here you go. Like, if you want to make your Wild West style scenery, this is the place where you can start off, at least like test some things and stuff. And if you don't want to have the entire background by itself, you can just like take the pieces and make what you want. Fluid Ninja. Now, this one is very interesting. Bake fluidism into flipbooks and player materials. Oh, what does that mean? Make your own BFX assets. Simulate fluids in Unreal. Bake flipbooks, drive volumes, and Niagara. Create stylized and realistic fire, smoke, and clouds. Make your own BFX assets inside Unreal. All right, let's see. Right. So you already got quite a bit of examples here. Oh. Also, like, this is the base, and this is how it looks like more fluid. I do like how you can make it take like an actual shape like a word, then just make it look all melty and stuff. That's actually really cool. Portal effect with some really good like rim light stuff. Look at that. Volume smoke, volume fog. Justifying it. I won't lie, this I really want to download all this into my computer now just to see how it looks. Simulate fluid. Oh yeah, flipbooks. I remember now. I used to do some of these back then. Drive, materials, volumetrics, Niagara. Ooh, you have a lot of different controllers here for all this stuff, and you can make it look however you want to without having to do too much involved stuff, and you can just simply move some bars left and right. Oh wow, is this whole cloud made in this? That is very impressive. Oh, is this a UI that you're seeing? The little bars here that you can move left and right. Or is this like VR compatible? Is that what's going on? This looks like something that you would see like in VR, or maybe I'm just seeing things. Volumetric clouds. Can you imagine making like having a game where you can make the clouds take the shape that you want to? That would be so cool. Oh man. It's already giving me ideas. Oh, look. Oh, you can make it look like an Aurora Borealis. Well, I don't know what this should be, but it looks pretty neat. A more realistic looking cloud. Look at that style and realism. That is so cool, actually. New feature. Whoa. Drive Niagara with fluidism. 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 I've been saying it wrong this whole time. I am so sorry. Simulate fluids in Unreal. Sample big data Niagara with Ninja modules. This looks really cool. The effects that you can do here. Oh, look at that. Look at all the particle. Oh, that is really cool. Oh my gosh. This makes me think of that like not newish, it's been there for a while now, but that game Control. This is really what it's making me think about with all the particle effects. You can make planets. Wow. Oh, that's really cool. I know I keep saying that same word, but like sometimes all you got is that's all I can say because it's all there is. Oh, you can change the light source, and this is all the examples that you're probably gonna get. And I gotta wonder if like you can make your own, because that would really enhance the experience here. But as it is, with all that it has in its base product, that is really surprising. Oh yeah, well, and if you can't like make it from scratch, you can really seem to customize some stuff. Drive fluidism with Niagara, use Niagara as fluidism in your core. I'm guessing this is all like attributes that you can change back and forth. Input density and output. Oh, output density. And you can bake it. Oh, cool. That's really cool. And input density. Oh, just using some basic samples, some basic shapes, and just using all this stuff. And then, now you're making a cool smoky effect. Drive fluidism with bitmaps or paint directly. You can make it look like this. You can make it look like on the right, or you can make it look like on the bottom. And it keeps going. Oh my God, it keeps going. This is. Okay, I do remember seeing things like this in Houdini, actually. Oh, is it just like its own separate software? Is that what's going on? Or is this just like this must be like a UI? Set baking parameters, manage bake data on GUI. Oh, yeah. Use velocity information to blend between bake frames, capture simulation as Atlas map. What's this? Smoke/haze generated with Fluid Ninja. Oh, this was used in some kind of game. VFX only screenshot capture from Mandragora. Game with permission from Primal Game Studios. It looks true. Wow, this was used in an actual product. Water flow effects, smoke and fire effects, plasma flow. Ooh, nice. And you got some explosions. I really want to fiddle with this now. Whoa! Oh, this is all this stuff. Whoa, that's cool. This is how it looks like in the. This is how it looks like in Unreal. This must be like the samples that they show you on the original file. That is, wow. Like you can do like your little energy stuff or something more like water. Volumetric clouds. Whoa. This is tiling. Setup demonstrates how fluidism and big data could be tiled. The words are so tiny there. Oh, and that seems to be it. Yep. Wow. But that is, oh my gosh. That is really impressive. Yeah, this is one of the big ones that I would definitely recommend if you want to just make your games look as stylistic and pretty as possible. What else do you have in the descriptions? Demo levels with 100 use cases for stylized and realistic BFX. Nice. This is a very big one. Definitely recommend. What is next? Point-and-click adventure toolkit, a highly customizable point-and-click adventure game framework. Oh yeah, like basically that actually does make me think like that recently released trailer for the new Super Monkey Island, which is a very classic point-and-click game. And if you want to make your own, oh yeah, and like it basically gives you a whole sample of how they would work. Doors, interactable objects, the player, the menu, dialogue examples, interactable object examples, item examples, and puzzle examples. And there's even more. Context-sensitive action inputs and classic action inputs. Right. Oh, the one on the right, that is definitely how old point and click used to be. Oh man, I remember. So many options and you just had no idea what to do with it. And the complete demo is included. Yep, you can download the thing as a level. Let's see, what do you have to say? 100% blueprint, point and click style movement and interactions, action system, doors and cross transition, interactable intractable object. I cannot tell if that was done on purpose or not. Extensive gameplay demo and content examples. And yeah, if you want to make your own point and click game, you just go right here and you can get your this can basically be your base if you want to use Unreal. And last one, turn-based RPG templates. Blueprint turn-based RPG template that provides core functionalities like drag and drop unit on the grid, character stats and skills, wave of enemies, and boss fights. Okay, I feel like this is clearly being made because of that Shadow Raiders game. I'm pretty sure that one was tile-based, or maybe I'm wrong. I might be wrong. Oh, this is very... Okay. Even like the gameplay from this sample looks pretty interesting as is actually. Area of effect, direct attacks. Oh yeah, and there it is. This is like the descriptions and the stats and everything. Whoa, what the? Oh, it's like a cutscene. Nice. Oh, boss battle. Oh, it has like actual like cutscenes. That's really cool actually. I'm not sure what's going on here, but it looks really cool. This must be the level design. Oh, okay. I don't know what you would enter there, but okay. Oh, they got like a bunch of stuff that you can look at. The video trailer, the documentation, the sample project. You can even go to a forum to discuss things. And there's a Discord and a Facebook page. And even a template video. Let's see, what else is here? Template that provides core functionalities like drag and drop the grid. Art asset art for demonstration purposes only and are not not included in the game. So from what I understand, you don't really seem to get all the stuff, or at least the stuff in the trailer might not be there. You get the core functions. That's what's going on. Never mind. They are included in several projects that can be downloaded from the link above. Character assets were taken from Unreal 4 Marketplace pairing on assets, which are licensed with the... Oh, that's what it was. No wonder these will look slightly familiar. Guild images were taken from this, licensed from here, and there's no technical details. Oh, that's a lot of blueprints. Wow. Okay, that is actually still pretty cool, actually. Because turn-based is still pretty popular, I would say. At the very least, I don't know. Is it more or less straightforward than like action-based RPGs? So this has been this month's free Unreal Asset stores available. You can check it out anytime during the month of July. If you like this video, please leave a like and a subscribe. Leave a comment if you want. We will be making videos like this every month when a new free asset stuff shows up. And I'll see you in the next video.